with my husband. He just turned 60 today. So happy birthday, my love.
Thank you, babe.
This is the venue.
I just went down the street with the cartoon, but I got hey, so I come back again. Where are you now? Yes, the cartoon. Except one gate is open. But I came home and can I get a picture out too?
All right. The picture, yeah.
So they come over here and visit. Right there. We're like right there.
There's my little sister Liana. Let me see your plate, yeah. Oh wow, what do you have there? You have the ribs, pancit, the bacareta, and the fried chicken. What happened to rice? You don't have rice? Later. My plate is this. I have the pork ribs, and then bacareta, the pancit, and then rice. I also have Sprite for my drink. This is my dessert also. This is buko salad. And also the fruit plate. Right there. We have watermelon, apple, and orange. So I am ready to dig in, guys. Let's eat.
I gotta make sure I get the buko salad.
Get the buko salad. There's the buko salad. There's the fruit platter. There's the bacareta. Fried chicken. The baby back ribs. The bami pancit. The mixed vegetable. And our rice. We're gonna drop off our good friend Daniel.
Adios, amigos.
Adios, amigos, for now. Anyway,
Yeah.
just for now. Right there, the drop-off zone in Boracay Airport. Dropping off Daniel.
Yeah. There's our friend Daniel. Again, say bye-bye.
This is the drop-off for Philippine Airlines. It's on the second gate, not the first gate. The first gate is for Cebu Pacific Air Asia. And
We will miss you, Daniel.
there he is. There's our
There
boy.
he is.
There he is.
This is located in... Is this Tangalan, babe?
It's already Makato.
Makato. This is in Makato, Aklan. Good morning! So this is Dairy Box here in Makato. Old World.
Tapos may different flavors. Lager po kasi.
Buko pandan. This is their fresh milk here. It does have different flavors. These are the cow's milk drink. Another stopover for us here at Ogsaran in Makato. 25. These are the choices from the Ogsaran.
Hello, dalawa po nito. Take out